What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can change your PayPal name. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your PayPal account and you want to click on this gear in the top right. Okay, click on it and it's going to take you to this page. You then want to click on change name. As you can see, this is the name that I have right now, which is Rashid Otalb, which is not my name. You can change it by clicking on change name, and it will give you guys three different options. As you can see, it will ask you guys if you want to change the reason, like it says here, choose a reason for changing your name. You either choose using a legal name after marriage, divorce, etc. Here the second option, it says here updating your name, for example using your full name instead of nickname. Here making a minor correction of one or two characters. Now each one of these, if you click for example using a legal name after marriage, probably after you are going to change it, they will ask you guys to verify, to send them your ID so that they can make sure it's you who wants to change the PayPal name. But if you are just clicking, for example, updating your name, for example, using your full name instead of nickname, probably they are not going to ask you guys for that. So I'm just going to try to select the first option. I'm going to click on next. Here you will be able to change it. Now you want to change the first name and the last name. Click continue. If they didn't ask you guys for your ID, that's good. If they asked you, you will have to send them, you will have to take us a picture of your ID, national ID, and you send them to PayPal so that they can verify it's you who wants to change the PayPal. So guys, that's exactly guys how you can change the name on PayPal. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.